Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today I'm going to show you how you can enable rotation of your Pixel Launcher home screen. So when you rotate your Pixel Launcher home screen, you can rotate the display like that, so it doesn't really look weird when you use your phone in landscape, and when you put it in portrait mode right back up, it will rotate back to its usual orientation when you use it in portrait. So how you do it really fast, really quick, is to go to your settings, and then in settings you can just search for the setting. So we can use the rotate option to query it. So auto rotate screen is for the in general. So when you use YouTube, you can auto rotate it, and this second option is for, this is what we're looking for, so allow home screen rotation when phone is rotated. So this is for the Pixel Launcher. So currently, obviously we have it activated, so when you deactivate it and then you go back to the home screen, and when you use the phone in landscape, it just stays like that. So if you want it like that, there's no problem with that. But if you want to have that effect like I showed you before, you can just go back to your settings and search for the rotate option, and then enable this option right here. So that's it. Hope you like this tips and tricks video, and if you want to use it with your Android 10 smartphone, you can do that. Subscribe to Sydney CBD Repair Center, and if you want to have your Android smartphone repair, if you want to change the display, change the battery, or change some components that we have available, we can also do iPhone charging ports and things like that. You can visit Sydney CBD Repair Center or call us in the details below. So till next time guys, cheers.